Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Mac's operating system. First, always back up your important files. You can use Time Machine or a cloud service to save your data, ensuring nothing is lost. Next, make sure your Mac is plugged into a power source and has a strong, stable internet connection. This prevents interruptions during the download and installation process, which can take some time. Having at least 25 gigabytes of free storage is also a good idea. Now, let's find those updates. Begin by clicking the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down, choose System Settings or System Preferences, depending on your macOS version. Once open, look for the General section in the sidebar and then click on Software Update. Your Mac will then automatically check for any new operating system versions available for your device. This process usually takes only a few moments. Once an update is found, you'll see an option to upgrade now or update now. Click this button to start the process. Your Mac will first download the new software, which can be several gigabytes in size and may take a while, depending on your internet speed. After the download, your Mac will restart multiple times to install the update. This entire installation can take anywhere from 30 minutes to over an hour, so be patient. After your Mac restarts for the final time, log in as usual. Take a moment to confirm that the update was successful by checking your About This Mac information. You might also want to open your most frequently used applications to ensure they are all functioning correctly with the new operating system. Sometimes, apps may require their own updates. Enjoy your newly updated Mac, which should now be more secure and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.